Everybody has been away for 94 days.
Johnny, through. You are
This man!
Since I've been meeting hookup guests, you are the sweetest. Baby, in fact, I hope you will be available tomorrow. Seriously.
Okay.
I'm always, doing it.
So what did you go to play? Wristwatch and cup of tea,
by this time
funny people.
I will invite you. Take this one for your transport.
For what?
This 1,000 is big for you, right? I understand it's too much for you. That's new currency. You can't keep the change. And you can keep the change.
My money is 20K. My money.
20,000.
Yes.
For what now?
For what to do now?
The farmer will make more money.
Is it good? Is it life? I don't understand. Did I eat heaven and earth?
I don't want
But I
peace.
told you that my money is 20K.
Is it
I
forever?
do inside this place 20K.
I don't want peace. I want
If
problems
you don't want to say
always.
this one, I will just.
Oga, come here.
What's the meaning of that?
My money.
This man!
I say no person where they follow deal with though. I be correct runs, girl. I know they fear anybody. So you don't know.
See, I will call my boss to beat you.
Oga, give me my money. Come back here. Give me my money.
Hey, you remove your hand now. Give me hand from my.
Hey!
I was.
Hey!
You like what you see?
Papa, what is going on here? Papa.
Oga, see this man oh. I be correct runs, girl. Oh, this man carry me go knack and I tell him say my money na 20K. He no wan give me my money.
I don't want peace. I want
What is
problems always.
Papa, thank God you're here. Thank God you're here. You see this girl, actually, I caught her.
Okay.
As a man, sometimes the body go, understand? I feel like
This man!
we enter, understand? With this baba. She can't say make I give her 20K. I don't get 20K. Now the new Nigerian currency, 1K now I give her. She dey tell me say they okay for her, Papa. What do I want to do? Papa, you don't even do like human being. He be like, he go like that like goat wey get arthritis.
If I'm understand you clearly, you mean that you are a runs girl?
Yes.
Oh. And he took you to this place
Yes.
to.
He gave me 1,000 oh, and I told him that my money is 20,000.
Ew. Igba. And after that, he can't afford to pay you your 20,000 naira.
Yes.
Ikorobia. Is that true?
Check her out now. If I get 20K, I go carry go come on completed bill. I don't know where I can lie and die. You don't understand? See myself. You don't get sense. You don't say
So, you don't have money, but you have the goal to take one inside uncompleted building and this guagua.
I don't want peace.
Look at how shame you have brought to yourself. That Quibi. See, let me tell you. The kind of person is the person that is supposed to be forbid in this community. Oh yes, you are kind of people who that will do without paying. We don't want to be seeing them in this community. Next time, let me tell you what to do. If you know you don't have money, go to Geriri. Oh yes, go to Geriri. Tie your prick, that Quibi. Oh yes, that Quibi. My daughter, it's okay. Leave her for good.
Give me my
No,
money.
it's okay. Leave him alone. So, you want me to settle this problem?
Yes.
Okay.
And you want me to settle the case?
Yes, Papa.
That is very, very good. My daughter,
Sir.
none he has do, and he doesn't have money to pay back. You know that when you say something to somebody, and the person doesn't have money to pay, you will collect their thing in the back. See, it's the right time you go and do. If you know that thing that he do to you, that he refused to pay you, go and do back.
Okay.
Oh yes. Go on now.
Papa, you are talking.
Bam.
I don't have money. Come and do me back.
So,
Come and do me that same thing that I've done to you back.
is either you do back or you let him go.
No, I can't let him go.
Come and do me back now.
That means you want to do him back.
Yes.
You want to go and do back.
Oh, yeah.
It is very shameful for you to accept that.